Hey guys, it's me, Mason, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY chalk ball. I am making these chalk balls to do a chalk ball fight. The things we're going to need is chalk, a cheese grinder, a white piece of paper, your mom or grandma's stocking, and then you're going to need a glass jar or just a normal jar, and then we'll need a white shirt so the chalk could get on it. So let's get started. I chose the color blue, and I'm gonna go up and down to form the powder. So get the stocking, put it in the jar, and then make it like this, and it'll look like a trash can. And now all you gotta do is just squeeze it, and then it'll go in. Oh, this is gonna fill up the whole entire thing. How many is there? Okay, it's done. Then get it by the sides, pick it up, make sure it's still in the jar. The bottom is. Alright. You're gonna tie a knot above the powder, and if you need help, ask a parent. And you don't want this tail, so cut 3 fingers above the knot. Alright, now that's cut. Oh, I barely cut it. And now we're done with our chalk ball. And you can make many colors and how many you want. Let the fun begin.
On your mark, get set, go!
I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY chalk ball fight. And I see you next time on Adventure Life with Mason. Bye! Have a good time!